Will pronounce its judgment in connection to the RSS march row in Tamil Nadu on Tuesday. This comes after the Madras High Court allowed the RSS to hold the marches in the state. This prompted the Tamil Nadu government to move the top court. That's the piece of breaking news that's coming in with that tussle in Tamil Nadu between the RSS as well as the DMK government. Now, the Supreme Court will pronounce its judgment in connection to the RSS march row in Tamil Nadu. This ruling of the top court will come in on Tuesday. This comes after the Madras High Court allowed the RSS to hold marches in the state. This prompted the Tamil Nadu government to move the top court. That's the piece of breaking news that's coming in. I'm joined by my colleague Ananya Bhatnagar, who's getting us this piece of breaking news. So Ananya, a critical order of the Supreme Court coming in tomorrow. Give us the details. What was the argument of the DMK government against the march? And what is the argument of the RSS when it comes to pushing that march in Tamil Nadu, which was allowed by the Madras High Court?
Well, it's a very, very important verdict that is coming in from the bench of Justice V. Ramasubramanian and Pankaj Mithal. Remember that this petition was filed by, in fact, the Tamil Nadu government challenging an order of the Madras High Court, which was dated September 22 last year, by which the single judge bench had directed the authorities to conduct their march, and later on February 10, a division bench in an order which had noted that the state must uphold the citizens' right to freedom and speech. Now, what has the Tamil Nadu government actually argued before the topmost court of the country? Senior advocate Mukul Rohatgi had appeared for the state government and contended that there cannot be a blanket mandamus on all route marches, and that the Sangh did not have vested interest in this petition. In fact, he also said, and I quote, that there is no absolute right to hold a procession with restrictions in Part 3 of the Constitution, which he was basically pointing out to public order and health. And in fact, opposing all of these arguments, Mr. Mahesh Jethmalani, senior advocate, who's actually, appearing, laying emphasis on the fundamental rights to conduct peaceful assemblies in public spaces being at stake. He said that, the earlier three marches that were held by the Sangh were actually very, very peaceful, and no kind of a law and order situation had actually erupted in the state of thereof. But very, very important verdict when it comes to the state of Tamil Nadu, and also on the respect of the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh, that is the RSS.
Right. Thank you, Ananya, for getting us that piece of breaking news. So a crucial Supreme Court ruling coming in tomorrow.